Hi guys, today I'm making lamingtons. Just a reminder that 80% of my viewers are not subscribed, so please subscribe to my channel. In a large bowl, add in 2 eggs and 3/4 of a cup of sugar and mix it together using a hand or stand mixer until it becomes light and creamy. Then add in half a cup of oil, half a cup of milk, 2 teaspoons of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of vanilla and mix it together well. Then add in 1 1/4 cups of flour and mix it gently until no flour remains. Use a spatula to scrape down the sides of the bowl, then transfer the batter into a greased baking pan. If you want a higher lamington, use a smaller pan. My baking pan is 9 by 13 inches. Spread the batter out evenly, then bake at 180 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes. To make the syrup, in a pot, add in 1 1/2 cups of sugar and half a cup of cocoa and mix it together to remove any lumps. Then gradually add in 1 1/2 cups of water. Make a thick paste, then add in the remaining water. Place the syrup onto the stove on high heat and stir constantly until it starts to boil. Now is not the time to step away or to leave it unattended. As soon as it starts to boil, remove it from the heat and pour it into a bowl, then set it aside to cool. Have 1 cup of coconut in a separate bowl and set it aside till needed. Remove the cake from the oven and place it onto a cooling rack to cool completely. Then place it onto a firm surface and cut it into smaller pieces. Dip each piece of cake into the syrup and drain off the excess. Then place it into the coconut and cover it completely. And they're ready to serve. These are best served the next day, but they can be served immediately. Enjoy. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.